Time to meet our 15 beautiful candidates who are competing for the title as Diwata Sangkali 2024.
Kayon duog nga pinili, mga dutang ginika sa aton ginsubli. Kintamnan sang handom, dugo kakabuhi, nanubo, naglambo, nagbuwad ang sahi. Salvador, Benedicto, ikaw gininganlan, maduwago ni mong inagyan. Kali-kali, kali-kalihan, bukdan naton balikan. Kali-kali, kali-kalihan, gusto yun naton ginhalinan. Agod mahibalan ang ginsuguran, maragtas naton nga tanan. Kag sa ulogon, ipahanumdum na agong tangkadalagan. Sa kali-kalihan,
Diwata number 1 is Melogene Kamangyan. Her festival costume showcases the golden sweet corn that grows abundantly in Don Salvador, Benedicto. Designer Angel Palaopsanon Ruby. Diwata number 2 is Cherry Ann Purissima. Bringing creativity with a twist on stage, her costume is inspired by the root crops such as sweet potatoes and peanuts. Designer Maria Glenn Diamante. Diwata number 3 is Carmela Lumahe. She features the golden and bountiful harvest of rice crops, which serves as the major source of livelihood at Don Salvador, Benedicto. Designer Lino Vera Alimon Jr. Diwata number 4 is Fern Ann Villan. Her costume showcases the DSB's abundant banana plantations. This design represents the endless possibilities brought by banana plants. Designer Raynel Sarmiento Maki. Diwata number 5 is Jamaica Bongo. Bringing one of DSB's major products on stage, her costume showcases our sweet pineapples. Designer Rico Season. Diwata number 6 is Mylene Gabilan. She showcases the sweet sugarcane, which aims to depict the sweetness of every Salvadorian. Designer Maria Glenn Diamante. Diwata number 7 is Azriel Mallorca. Her costume features the Tree of Life coconut, a symbol of strength and resiliency of every Salvadorian. Designer Kim Cerudo. Diwata number 8 is Joanna Iligan. Inspired by one of our major agricultural products, her costume showcases our bountiful harvest of beans. Designer Patricia Cordova.
Sana ikaw mapadulong, kaupot mga damgo sa tagi puso. Sa imo nagapugpong ang kaanakan, magkaisog tungod sa kalisaduhan. Salvador Benedicto ang imong ngalan, magalanog sa kalibutan. Kali-kali, kali-kalian, ugdan naton balikan. Kali-kali, kali-kalian, usuyon naton kinhalinan. Agud mahibalan ang ginsuburan, maragtas naton nga tanan. Kag sa ulugon ipahanumdum na agum tang kadalagan sa kali-kalian.
Diwata number 9 is Gwen Gallo. Her costume showcases the bamboo trees, depicting the hard work and tenacity of our local artisans. Designer Young Guzman. Diwata number 10 is Princess Paula Gubat. She brings on stage the product that makes our walis tambo udyong. Designer Gio Morales. Diwata number 11, Princess Grace Pontiliano. Wearing a Mang Aani-inspired attire, her costume showcases the creativity of our local artisans to create something out of abaca. Designer 30 Espinosa and Pao Panganiban. Diwata number 12 is Ana Rose Valenzuela. She brings us DSB's blooming ornamental flowers. Designer Pao Panganiban. Diwata number 13 is Legime Taliedo. Her costume features our iconic pine trees. That is the reason why DSB is dubbed as the Little Baguio of Negros. Designer Pao Panganiban. Diwata number 14 is Jeremy Panganiban. Creatively bringing a versatile pandan leaves. Her costume is a symbolism of the craftsmanship of our people. Designer Ralph Sorilla. Diwata number 15 is Jonna May Tanchico. Her costume features the kogon, which is one of the main materials in building a traditional nipa house. Designer Gia Abeliana.
Kale-kale-kale-kalehan, Uylugan ta ang kasadyahan. Kale-kale-kale-kalehan, ipalapnag naton sa tanan. Agod mapadayon, kinabatasan, kulturang aton namatan. Gagipasubli, ining hamili, manggat sang dutang tinubuhan. Sa kale-kalehan, sa kale-kalehan, sa kale-kalehan, sa kale-kalehan, sa kale-kalehan.
Sa mga tumalanaw na Salvadorians, mga respetado na hukom, mayong gabi sa inyong matanan. Yari ako subong sa inyo tubangan, pag-ulikit sa dunang manggad aton pagkaistoryahan. Wala bala kamo katingala, ang amat-amat nga pagbaylo sa aton nga klema, abe mga kabyanan binag-binaga, ang inyo ginabuhat insakto pa bala. Hunis ang pispis nga kanami pamatian, mapuknaw na hangin na aton mabatsyagan, manami nga talanawon kag kabukiran, matahom kag nanarisari nga kabulakan, matamis na prutas na aton sarang matilawan, mapugnaw na busay na nami lupatan kag paliguan. Diri sa Don Salvador, Benedicto, inatanan maeksperiensyahan. Mga bisita kag turista ilagit ginabalik-balikan. Pero paano kung isa ka adlaw inatinan madula? Kay tungod sa aton malahin na buhat kag pagbabaya, gintugas ang mahal nga makaako kita pero kita mismo ang nagaguba. Hasta saan pa kita makadudla kag makabugtaw. Sa subong sa ika-41 nga selebrasyon, kita magbinuligay kag maghiyog yun. Doon ang mangga daton tatapon kag palanggaon. Sunog Salvadorians para sa aton masunod na henerasyon.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me.
Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth begging us, please stop listening to grief. Listen to the rivers, listen to the sea, listen to the spirits of the deep begging us, please stop listening to grief. She sent the drought to warn us. She sent the storms to scold us. But we don't listen. We burn and we break and we take and we take and we take till it's too late. Oh, where did the beasts go? Where did the trees go? Where will man go when he has lost the heart? Beneath his feet. Oh, this is our home. She gives us home, Mother Earth. Can you feel her heart beat beneath your feet? Heart beat beneath your feet. Heart beat beneath your feet.
This time, let's learn about the importance of preserving our municipality's culture and arts with these performances brought to us by Diwata numbers 5 to 8.
The art of arnis was introduced to Don Salvador Benedicto by our municipality's first inhabitants, the Ata tribe. Arnis was their sole weapon in fighting against colonizers who wanted to take over our land. Throughout the years, we have always traced back our roots. The art of arnis is still evident in our culture, and we continue to give importance to our indigenous people. New art forms have also been introduced, such as weaving piña cloths made out of our homegrown pineapples. And as we continue to push forward, we will strive to preserve our culture and arts.
day.
Sayaw lang sa uban.
May gusto ko
Anong ako nga na may uban.
magsayaw yun day.
Di lagi ko kay wako'y gusto.
Iruk-iruk,
Sayron,
iruk-iruk taong nga ridyo day. Iruk-iruk,
sayron.
iruk-iruk taon nga ridyo day.
Ngayong gabi, ang akon nga barangay may 8 ka sityo. May kinalain nga kinaiya ang tagsa-tagsa. May mga mapisan nga mangunguma nga arador sang sityo Pijakway kag sityo Manbanaw. Arador sa aga sa kagabihon, arador man. Sa tugnaw sang kagabihon kag panahon, matingnas nga kabataan ang resulta. Masinadyahon ang pito ka purok sang akon nga barangay. Gabugtaw sa aga para manguha sang kahoy, galamiton para tigangon sa pamilya. Hulmanay bugas, kag mag-ilis tig tulubas, hatagay sudan sa tagsa-tagsa ka panimatay. Ang pagdagyaw sang pumuluyo, sa pagtangdas sang mais, kag sagpanong tanom sang humay. Kag ang mga kabataan nga may respeto sa ginikanan, kag may mga maayo nga kabataan. Ang maayo kag diligid. Maayong gabi sa inyo tanan. Salamat.
Let us now find out how we can help promote our local tourism with Diwata numbers 9 to 12.
Want to take a break from the hustle and bustle of the city? The summer capital of Negros awaits. Hit the roads that will lead you to a place where it's definitely safe and beautiful. Here at Don Salvador Benedicto, you can be one with nature. It is a place where you can experience the cool breeze, take in the scenic views, and indulge in the bountiful harvest. Don Salvador Benedicto has so much more to offer, so let's work hand in hand to further promote our municipality's tourism.
and gentlemen, the award-winning tourism music video of the summer capital of Negros Occidental, Don Salvador Benedicto.
The vibrations of the ground at your feet. Touch the cool of the river, so calm and so clear. Kiss, let the kiss of the wind caress your skin. Love, feel the love all around you, love that never fades. Let's escape, celebrate, take a chance, hold my hand, come away with me to infinity and experience the wonderful journey when people surround you, when people surround you, it's mine. No need to worry, just live your best life, where it's definitely safe and beautiful. So take flight.
Mayong gabi mga higala, dali og dinyo ko rights kag magbisita sa isa ka matahom nga banwa nga may mabug na nga klema. Ginbansagan, Letol Bagyo, wala liwan kundi ang aton pinalangga nga Don Salvador Benedicto. Sabado, Domingo, banwa ginadagsa ka mga tawo. Mapaturista o kung pareho ko nga motorista, kita mga piso kubo ni Maria. Riders hub kong tawgon, may manami nga lalantawon. Magbuot nga tag-iya nga ginapalangga ka ginabalikan ka mga motorista. Gusto nyo handumanan? Kita maliko sa Orange Cliff nga likuan. May mga photographer nga mapisan, pero halong sa illegal nga angkas abyan, basi ikaw mapitkan, kag madakpan. Hindi man mapaulihi ang Cocos Rage Cafe, overlooking Zigzag Road View. Perfect place to have a date upod ang imo nga bigo. Gani samtang ginapaabot kag nagabiyahe, hindi naton malikawangan ang aksidente. Gani ini ang tandai. Para sa pangalalaki, mata sa dalan, hindi sa sexy nga babayi. Para sa kaingod ko nga babayi, ang pagpangaway sa inyo nga nobyo, likawi kung nagamaneho. Kung nakainom kag wala sa wisyo, mas mayo pa magpundok kag mag-isip sang inyo sinsilyo. Gani, para malabot sang malipayon kag malibot sang matawhay ang Don Salvador Benedicto, maghalong, mag-amping para sa isig kapariho, hindi kita makaperwisyo. Presence of mind ang kinahanglan. Safety girls, hindi pagkalipatan. Kauturan, ang kabuhita, isa lang, amo na gani aton tipiran. Sa liwat, maayong gabi sa inyong atanan, kag ride safe, everyone!
What comes into your mind when you hear Don Salvador Benedicto? Is it a zigzag road that is considered to be one of their greatest success? Why don't we take a short tour and find out more about this municipality?
Naiinip na ba ako?
Ikaw ba'y napapagod? Araw-gabi puro kayo.
Buhay mo ba'y walang saysay, walang sigla, walang kulay?
Bawat araw ba'y pareho, parang walang pagbabago.
Biyahe tayo upang ating magtanong ligaya at pagkakaibigan, kamlaran, kapayapaan. Halika, biyahe tayo nang ating makita ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Ang galing na hilala. ang galing ng Pilipino.
Diwata.
I'm 48 today and I started my service at the age of 17. Mathematics would show masobra pa sa katunga sang akon edad subong in serbisyo sa siningakan.
Good evening, my fellow Salvadorians. As we embrace the innovation of our municipality, let's also be reminded of the people behind these, our leaders and their good governance. Don Salvador Benedicto has come this far, but it began from being the darkest and nothing but a large expanse of land without a name to collectivize its territory, to being the place where people find tranquility. From being left behind to being one step ahead, Don Salvador Benedicto is now unstoppable because of its people, scenery, and good governance. As our municipality progress and as we Salvadorians dream, our leaders are also dreaming to not just be known as the summer capital of the province, but also to be one step ahead, not from other community, but from what we are before. And may we dream of preserving the fathomless beauty of our nature, ourselves, and our future. My fellow youths, it is also time for us to make difference and find not just peace, but a better tomorrow. One Salvadorian, one dream, one step ahead.
I was once a child, and I was once a dreamer. I dreamed of a beautiful world devoid of chaos, where society's morals, values, and standards stem from its genuine leaders who put in so much effort to turn this municipality into something great and one step ahead from what it was once before. Here in Don Salvador Benedicto, a dream that was once impossible
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Diwatas in our very own talent competition. We have so much advocacies here in our municipality and sa subong nakita gid naton based on the talents and abilities of our candidates. At this point, we would like to share something. It's not only ang Diwata Sangkali nga mapakita nato ng ilang mga talento. There is also another event on February 7 at 7 p.m. that will showcase how talented are our Salvadorians. What this event is, let's focus our eyes on the screen and let's check this out.
I will always, honestly, truly, completely love you.
Paano under to? Ming, 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 ming! Ming, 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 ming! Pusa ba ako? Tawag ang tawag sa akin? Pusa ba ako?
Nakita din kita! Nasasaktan na ako. Nauubos na ako. Isang beses, sa napakaraming beses na pwede akong sumuko, pero hindi ko ginawa.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite all of you to join us in the third season of our DSB Pop Idol and our first ever DSB Dance Idol. Again, that's on February 7, 7 p.m. diri gyapon sa aton nga Municipal Gymnasium. Right now, we can say na napawaw gid sa aton mga 15 candidates ang aton mga judges who are looking forward to who will have the crown. So right now, they have also wowed our sponsors, which gives us the opportunity to award them with our very own corporate awards. Our first corporate award for this evening is Tata James Choice Award. Tata James Choice Award goes to Diwata number 7 and 8.
Tata James Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Honorable James Dino C. Lord.
Our next award is the RLT Light and Sound Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 2.
RLT Light and Sound Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Feliza Traje.
Is Highway 16 Resort Choice Award. Highway 16 Resort Choice Award goes to Diwata number 2.
Highway 16 Resort Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Naomi Retiza.
Award is Maribel River Resort Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 2 and Diwata number 5.
Maribel River Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Mr. Clyde Leanda and Judel Leanda.
Award for this evening is the Bibido Fuel Station Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 2.
Bibido Fuel Station Choice Award will be receiving a sash, cash, and bouquet to be awarded by John Mark Bascar and Barangay Kagawad Marilo Alcober.
Award is the Roxanne Amor Asin Beverage Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 10.
Roxanne Amor Asin Beverage Choice Award will be receiving a cash to be awarded by Honorable Herman Badera Jr.
Our next award is the Bellevue Apartel Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 5.
Bellevue Apartel Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Barangay Kagawad Dolores Siralbo.
Award is the LG&D Spring Resort Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 5.
LG D&D Spring Resort Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Mr. Robert Manojo.
Our next award for this evening is the SK Federation Choice Award. Our SK Federation Choice Award goes to Diwata number 1 and Diwata number 9.
SK Federation Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Honorable Lislin Indico and SK Chairman Jesselyn Beligorio.
Our next award for this evening is the Balatican Resto Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 2.
Balatican Resto Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Miss Neji Rose Jimena.
Ang masunod natin na award for tonight is the Cateo Hardware and Construction Supply Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 2.
Cateo Hardware and Construction Supply Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Miss Joanne Niniel.
Our next award for this evening is the Nidals Resort Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 2.
Nidals Resort Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Neji Rose Jimena.
Our next corporate award for this evening is the Owens Villa Choice Award. Congratulations to Diwata number 2.
Owens Villa Choice Award will be receiving a bouquet to be awarded by Miss Jasmine Evangelio.
Ang masunod natin na corporate award is the Campo Pedro Choice Award. Campo Pedro Choice Award goes to Diwata number 10.
Campo Pedro Choice Award will be receiving a cash to be awarded by Honorable Herman Badera Jr.
The next corporate award for this evening is Pit Stop Choice Award. Ang ato na Pit Stop Choice Award goes to Diwata number. Congratulations, Diwata number 9.
Pit Stop Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Gigi Bacordo Lazanas.
Our next corporate award is Perfect Skin Choice Award. Perfect Skin Choice Award goes to Diwata number. Congratulations, Diwata number 5.
Perfect Skin Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Mrs. Christine Pailmocon and Barangay Kagawad Maria Rodema Ami.
Our next award for this evening is the City Rice Retailing Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 5.
SETI Rice Retailing Choice Award will be receiving sash and cash to to be awarded by Miss Danica Paras.
The next corporate award is Cleo Villalon Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number. Let's give it up for Diwata number 6.
Cleo Villalon Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Channeline Kulanag.
The next corporate award for this evening is Skywater Retailing Station Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number. Let's give it up for Diwata number 2.
Skywater Refilling Station Choice Award will be receiving a bouquet, gift pack, and cash to be awarded by Marian Toreno.
Ang masunod natin na corporate award is the Liga ng Barangay Choice Award. Ang Liga ng Barangay Choice Award goes to Diwata number. Let's give it up, Diwata number 15.
Liga ng Barangay Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Honorable Henry Alcuri.
Our next corporate award for this evening is the Barangay Pinuwayan Council Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 15.
Barangay Pinawayan Council Choice Award will be receiving a sash and cash to be awarded by Honorable Henry Alcuri.
Our next corporate award is the Kishame Bake Shop Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 4.
Kishame Bake Shop Choice Award will be receiving a gift bag, cash, and bouquet to be awarded by Mackenzie Villan.
Award for this evening is the NGL Feeds and Rice Supply Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number. Let's give it up for Diwata number 4.
NGL Feeds and Rice Supply Choice Award will be receiving a sash and bouquet to be awarded by Mackenzie Villan.
And our last corporate award for this evening is the Manukan ng Bayan Choice Award. We would like to congratulate Diwata number 4.
Manukan ng Bayan Choice Award will be receiving a sash, bouquet, and cash to be awarded by Rodaline Labang.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our candidates in our corporate awards. We have 26 corporate awards, which means we have at least 26 sponsors who have their never-ending support sa Don Salvador Benedicto. Can we give our sponsors a big round of applause, please? Madamo salamat sa atong sponsors and sa atong supporters. We would like to invite each and every one of you to join us on February 8, 8 p.m. diri gyapon sa atong Municipal Gymnasium for where we will have our very own coronation night of the Diwata Sangkali. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kurt Soberano and this has been the Diwata Sangkali Festival Costume and Talent Competition. Stay safe everyone! Happy Kalikalihan Festival!
Bukan naton balikan, kale 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 kalehan. puso yun natong ginghalinan. Agod mahibalan ang ginsuguran, maragtas naton nga tanan. Kag sa ulo